In this video, we'll walk through the different ways you can scan photos into the application. We'll cover manual scan, auto scan, two-sided scanning, and carrier sheet mode. We'll also explore key scan settings to help you customize your scanning experience. Let's get started. Manual scanning. Manual scanning is active whenever the auto scan feature is disabled. In this mode, you place a photo into the scanner and press the scan button to initiate each scan manually. Before inserting the photo, be sure to choose your preferred scan destination by clicking the Scan Destination option in Scan Settings. Remember, you can select the inbox, an existing album, or create a new album to keep your scans organized. Insert your photo into the scanner top first with the side to be scanned facing down toward the scanner bed. Press Scan to capture the image. For each new photo, you'll need to press the Scan button again to initiate the next scan. This method gives you full control over the scanning process. To ensure your images are properly aligned, you can enable Auto Crop and Deskew in the settings. This feature automatically detects the edges of the image, then crops and straightens it as needed. You can also turn this feature on and off with the toggle on the global header. Using the Photo Information feature. Once your photo is scanned, you can add details about it using the Information feature. Click on a scanned image, then click on the information icon in the top right corner of the canvas. An information panel will open. Here you can enter a custom name for the photo, a date if it differs from the scan date, a location where the photo was taken, and additional notes about the image. You can also add tags, which are searchable keywords to help with organization. This feature makes it easier to categorize and filter specific categories of photos later. Auto scan. The auto scan feature allows you to scan images without having to press the scan button repeatedly. The easiest way to enable or disable auto scan is from the global header at the top of the application. Simply click on the auto scan toggle and switch it on or off as needed. Now, simply insert your photo top first with the side to be scanned facing down, and PictureStudio will automatically begin scanning. There's no need to click anything. Just place the next image when ready. Two-sided scanning. If you have photos with information printed on the back, you can use the two-sided scanning feature. You can scan both the front and back of a photo and keep them linked together in PictureStudio. In the scan settings, enable two-sided scanning. Insert the front side top first, facing down into the scanner. When prompted, flip the image over and press Scan to scan the back side. PictureStudio will automatically pair the two sides together for easy viewing. You'll notice a new icon on the image thumbnail indicating a two-sided scan. If you open the image in the canvas, you will also notice that you can view either side of the image with the selector below. This feature is useful for preserving handwritten notes or details on the backs of printed photos. Finally, we'll cover carrier sheet mode, a feature that protects delicate or irregularly shaped photos while scanning. This mode helps scan fragile photos by using a protective sleeve to prevent damage and slipping. Always use a clean sheet for the best results. You can enable or disable this mode in two ways. From the inbox panel, click the gear icon next to the scan button. From Settings, select Carrier Sheet Mode and toggle it on or off. For adjusting pre-feed settings, go to Main Settings and enable Carrier Sheet Mode if it is currently disabled. Then click Settings and choose Default, Minimum, or Maximum Pre-feed for optimal performance. Default should work well in most cases. To scan with a carrier sheet, place the photo inside the sleeve. The photo does not have to be perfectly aligned, as Auto Crop and Deskew will automatically correct it if it is enabled. Insert the sleeve into the scanner, sealed edge first, with the image side facing the scanner bed. Press Scan, and PictureStudio will process the image safely. That's it. This feature keeps your delicate photos safe while ensuring high-quality scans. Now you know how to scan and import images into PictureStudio, as well as how to customize your scan settings for better organization and image quality. Whether you prefer manual scan, auto scan, two-sided scanning, or carrier sheet mode, PictureStudio makes it easy to bring your photos into the digital world.